factory bulbar. Yeah, these four. And so for the water intercooler for the supercharger, we're going to have to make up new brackets because they're actually mounted to the factory bar. Yeah, so these will come off, and then we'll start putting the Raslarr bar together and put it on. So yeah, start mocking that up and stuff. So we're going to start off with the spotties, the Rogue 8.5s, and then we'll work our way to the indicator at the top, and then the parker light on the bottom. And yeah, then we'll get the bull bar mounted up. We'll get the winch plates on as well for the one for the winch. And yeah, that'll be her pretty much. We'll chuck her on.